And we have some breaking news coming in. Grenade hurled at PDP MLA Mohammad Yusuf Bhatt's residence in Shopian last night. No one has been injured in the attack. That's the latest that we are getting to you from Kashmir. Let's go across to Fareed now for more on this. Fareed, what more details can you share with us?
Yes, in fact, it was a grenade attack on the residence of MLA Shopian Mohammad Yusuf. But this incident happened at around 12:40 late last night. The grenade exploded very close to the house, or in fact in the compound. However, no one was injured, but it did cause damage to the house. Some window panes were shattered. After this, of course, the security did fire some shots. However, the militants had managed to escape. Now, Mohammad Yusuf Bhatt, of course, escaped unhurt, but after this incident, of course, the security forces reached the spot, and security has been beefed up around his residence and generally, if you talk of that particular area. Now, this comes close on the heels of what happened in Kulgam yesterday, where a police station was fired upon by militants. The attack continued for 4-5 minutes, and then there also they escaped from the spot. Now, the Kulgam is a neighboring district of Shopian. So clearly, militant activity has increased, and every day we're seeing they're doing something, especially if you talk of South Kashmir. And that, of course, has forced the security forces to increase security in certain pockets of South Kashmir that have seen this increased activity in the last 15-20 days.
Right, Fareed, thank you very much for joining us and getting us the updates. We'll come back to you for more. And this is not the first time that this MLA, in fact, has been attacked. Earlier in the month of August as well, an attack took place at his residence.